So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about the ping command, ping. Okay, so ping is packet internet grouper. That's the abbreviation of that thing. So what's the use? If you want to see you got one IP that is reachable or not, ping 102. Okay, this IP. This is belong to my base server IP. That's why I am able to ping. Okay, it is alive. If I do 103, that is my neighbor system, I'm having two laptops, so second laptop IP is 103, so I'm able to ping, but no device is having 104, so it is blank, so that's why it's showing destination host unreachable. So what's the use is we can check the connectivity, we can check its aliveness. So if you ping to any IP, that means that IP is up and reachable, that device, server, mobile, laptop, whatever it is. So it is reachable. Second thing, we are able to connect to that server. Yes, connection is establishing. But here's the one problem. If I do this thing, it will continue until I put Control C. But I don't want this thing because I have to press Control C. So for that, what we can do, we can put -C count, like 5 count. It will ping 5 times and automatically it will get disconnected. Okay, so you can control the size of package because this package size is also there. You can put count 5 and the size -S 40. Okay, so you can define the size of that thing. You can change the interval time. Okay, see, now currently it is showing every second. For 5 seconds it is going. I will put interval 2 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it took interval between like one ping and another. There is an interval of 2 seconds. This is how you can use ping command. And generally we use ping command only, like ping and simple this thing, like count we are having. And like if you want to send flood like multiple this thing, multiple requests to a server, okay, you can do -F. Too much ping is going to the server. Okay, it is flooding, it is sending package as soon as possible. If I do Control C, it sent 2013 received package, like it has sent 1024 package transmitted. So it is like flooding, it is like pushing the as much as soon as possible and as much as package you can send. So same thing we can do with 104. Okay, if I put Control C, 192 package 0 receive, 1 error because 104 is not reachable. Okay, because see, it's unreachable. So this is how you can use on this option, but there are only few options which we use, like plain ping without any options, -C count, -S for size we are using. Okay, and -I interval also used sometime. -F very rarely used when we want to do testing. That time only we are using -F. There are other options like capital T and all, but those are not in use. So you just learn this thing, ping command. Okay, if you are doing a ping to a one IP, that IP is reachable to your server or that is up and running. Okay, so that's how you can check the connectivity. That's the basic. Till then practicing. See you in the next video.